Are you over 60 and waking up weaker, stiffer, or more tired every morning? You might think it's just normal aging, but there's a hidden culprit silently stealing your strength while you sleep. It's called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. And if you're not taking this one simple thing before bed, your muscles may keep shrinking, night after night. But don't worry, it's not a medication, and it's not expensive. In fact, it's probably already in your kitchen. Section 1: What happens while you sleep? Here's what most seniors don't realize. While you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. That includes rebuilding damaged muscle tissue, especially after any physical activity. But as we age, our bodies become less efficient at muscle repair, unless we give them the right fuel. That's where many seniors go wrong. They eat dinner early, skip protein at night, and let their bodies go 10 to 12 hours without essential nutrients. This creates a perfect storm for muscle loss. Section 2: The one thing to take before bed. So what should you be taking before bed to protect your muscles? Casein protein. It's a slow-digesting protein found in dairy, especially in foods like Greek yogurt or a small glass of milk. Unlike fast proteins that are absorbed in under an hour, casein digests slowly, feeding your muscles throughout the night. In fact, studies show that seniors who consume casein before bed have better overnight muscle recovery and less age-related muscle loss. Don't want a supplement? No problem. Just try 3/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 glass of warm milk, lactose-free if needed, or a scoop of casein powder mixed in water. Section 3: Bonus tip and closing. Want to supercharge it? Add a teaspoon of turmeric or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra anti-inflammatory support. And here's the real kicker. This habit doesn't just protect your muscles. It also helps with better sleep, joint recovery, and blood sugar control. So if you're serious about staying strong, independent, and active, start tonight. Take your casein-rich bedtime snack and let your muscles rebuild while you rest. Speech balloon like this tip? Share it with a senior friend or family member who needs this. Bell and don't forget to subscribe. We share weekly science-backed health tips for seniors.